I've debunked a lot of so-called drone videos as planes over the past few days, and I'll end with this one. This is the power plant at the bottom of the video. The story goes like this. September 24th. I saw a lot of activity in the sky, some large objects that were clearly drones, and others that were farther away and possibly smaller. There was one drone in particular, the one you can see in the video, flying quite low and circling between our building and the power station, which is relatively close by. It looked a bit like a small airplane, but it was flying up and down and very close to the buildings. Airplanes don't do that. So I did a little analysis on this one too, using a plane I found on flight radar that was flying exactly where he said it was. The stars were really helpful for aligning time and position, and you can see it matches quite well. Let's continue the flight. The model I used is a bit larger than the actual plane, but you get the idea. Again, a perfect match. Who can honestly say this wasn't the plane? But which plane was it then? Oh, the same small taxi plane that flew over the airport 2 days earlier, just 10 minutes before it shut down. You know, the one I suspected had been misidentified as a drone. Well, nothing to see here. And what about the very close to the buildings part? 236 meters, or 720 feet. Not that close to a 5-story building, is it? So, the current status is this. I still haven't seen a single video showing a real drone. Every one of them has turned out to be a plane, a star, or a planet. Isn't it fair to be skeptical and ask questions about the Copenhagen airport shutdown? Here's a short compilation of some of the ones I've debunked. Others are just too obvious to even bother with.